Alright, this is the vending machine by the near the athletic entrance at Aurora High School in Aurora, Ohio. It's an AMS, but I do not know. It's an AMS 39 vending machine, I think. I am not really sure what it is. Let's see what I got. What am I gonna get? I am gonna go with the ice oatmeal cookie protein bar, 33. So, gonna get the quarter. I accidentally hit the clear button. 75. $1. $1.25. I think I'm gonna go with 13 more. I'm gonna go with 3. Ooh.
What's up?
Nothing. No.
One pro.
What's going on, Squickus?
Good. Hey, one protein bar. Nothing in there? That's true. Okay, that's it.